Coconut. So a great way to check if a coconut is fresh or not is you want to give it a quick shake to ensure you can hear liquid sloshing around. Now each coconut will have these three eyes here. Two are going to be rock hard and one of them will be soft. The way I test this is with a paring knife. This one I can feel is soft. Therefore, we can use this eye to extract our coconut water. A neat trick is to use a corkscrew, which not only looks cool, but creates a perfectly round hole for the water to pour out from. Add some ice to a glass, place a sieve over top, and pour. And the sieve helps to catch any debris from the husk. And there it is, refreshing coconut water, perfect on a hot summer day. Next, with our blade pointed towards the ceiling, we want to use the spine of our knife to strike around the perimeter of the coconut. Remember to pivot your body while doing this, as we don't want to be accidentally struck by the blade. And there's our coconut cracked in half. Now with a butter knife, simply place it between the flesh and shell and pry it out. Now these two little shells you can hang and use as planter pots. Now you can keep the brown skin on, but I like to peel it. And there's our beautiful coconut. I'll peel the next half. And lastly, I'm going to run these under cold water to remove any debris. For nice large coconut flakes, simply use your Y peeler and peel the outside edge like so. Toss these in a low oven to dehydrate, and that is our coconut broken down.